Hello everyone, how are you? All are fine? Very good. I am Perpetin Fernandez, teacher of Toddledom. Today is Activity Day. So are you all excited to do new activity? Yes? Okay. Before starting, I will ask you a riddle. You have to guess on what activity we are going to do. Ocean is my real home. You can commonly find me in red, blue and gold. My favorite thing is blowing bubbles, and if you take me home, I can be a pet too. Tell me who I am. Any guesses? No? Okay. Ocean is my real home means it stays in water and it loves to blow bubbles. Who blows bubbles in water? Yes, it is fish. So today we are going to learn foldings of fish. I will show you two fish. Okay, let's start with the activity now. Children, we'll take a square shaped craft paper. Then we have to make the first folding. Like this we have to fold and then hold it up, and then you have to press the paper properly so that we get a proper fold. Press it nicely. Then we have to open the paper. Can you see the line? Now from this side you have to fold the paper. And you have to press it properly. Then we have to fold it from the other side. Then you have to press the foldings nicely. See, you can see 3 lines. Press it properly. Now we have to open the paper and we have to make the first fold again. Can you see this line? Now we have to take a scissor and we have to do the cutting. Standing line. Slowly we have to cut till the line we can see. Slowly we have to cut. Now we don't have to cut till the end because we have to make fish face also. After the cutting is over, we have to open the paper and you have to cut this end. You have to make a curve. We have to open the paper and you have to fold it again. Now we'll take a glue stick and we have to stick this paper over this paper. Now we'll apply glue over this paper. After applying the glue, we have to stick it over here. See, the body of the fish is ready now. Next, we'll take some other color paper. We have to fold the paper. Then we have to draw fin of the fish and we'll draw tail of the fish. We'll do the cutting of the fin. Now we'll draw the tail of the fish. We'll cut the fish tail. Now we'll take a sketch pen and we'll just make some standing line on it. See, the tail, fin and our fish is ready. Now we have to glue the fin and we have to stick it on the fish body. Then we'll glue the other fin and then we'll stick it on the fish. Now we'll apply glue on the tail of the fish and then we have to stick the tail also. Now we'll make eyes of the fish. See, our fish is ready. Now we'll start with the second fish folding. First you have to take a square shaped craft paper. Then we have to fold the ends of the paper. This way we have to fold the end of the paper. Then you have to press properly. Now we have to open the paper. Then we have to do the other side folding from this end to this end. And then we have to press it nicely. Now we have to open the paper. Can you see these lines? Now we have to fold it this way. We have to make a rectangle. See, we have to fold it this way. You can see this line. Now on the other side we have to fold it again. Now when you open a paper, you will see all these lines. Now you have to fold it again in square shape. Then you have to open, and on the other side you have to fold. Now I'll open this paper and just do all the foldings again. First this triangle shape folding, then the other side, then rectangle shape folding, then the other side, and then square shape folding. See now, so many lines on the paper you can see. Now we'll make again rectangle. Then we have to put our finger inside it and you have to turn it. Then you will get this shape like a rectangle. See, you have to put your finger inside and you have to fold it. Then you have to turn the paper and the same way you have to put the finger and you have to fold it. It will become easily because we have made so many folds. Now see, there are 4 sides. Now you can see this line in between the triangle. See this line? You have to make folding till that line only. Then you have to press properly, then you have to fold it once more on the same line. Then we have to open it and the other side we have to fold on the line we can see. See, we have to fold it on the line, then the other part we have to fold it over it. Turn the paper. See, our fish is ready. Now we'll make eyes of the fish. I'm using sketch pen to make eyes of the fish. See, our fish is ready. I have made one more fish. I'll make eyes of it. Now we'll place our fish on a plain paper. I have made one more small baby fish. So we'll make now bubbles. Fishes make bubbles now. So we'll make bubbles. And we'll make some sea grass. We'll make some waves of water also to complete the picture. See, our fish is ready. Did you all enjoy doing the activity, children? Yes? Very good. Now you need to keep practicing. Okay? So children, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.